Now to a story we've been following since before sunrise on WPBF 25 News Mornings. A man is dead on the Treasure Coast, and investigators want to know how he died.
Cops responded to a home in the 600 block of Fiddlewood Road just after 6:30 last night. They were checking out a noise complaint before discovering the man's body. Angela Rozier is live in Vero Beach with the newest information in this case. Angela?
That's right. Detectives identified that victim as 41-year-old Brian Simpson. Neighbors tell us he was a married father of two who loved his family. While Vero Beach Police K-9 units search for clues near the crime scene, just a few blocks away, members of the Indian River County Fire Rescue Dive Team searched the water near the Barber Bridge, hoping to catch a break. Ann and Jim Kachik live in the house directly behind the victim, Brian Simpson. Ann says she heard a loud noise Thursday night and dialed 911.
We had just sat down for dinner and I heard a noise, and we heard pop, 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 and then a crash, not glass, but just a sound like crashing.
Kachik believes that crushing sound she heard was her neighbor of 13 years falling on the floor.
It was scary. We turned all the lights on. They told us to keep the dogs inside. Our windows were open. We closed the windows. We locked the doors.
Police say just before 7 Thursday night, Simpson walked in on a burglar in his home. The suspect shot Simpson and ran off.
It's scary. I mean, it is very, it's threatening to be in a community where people are getting shot and killed.
Neighbors are concerned. They say there have been several break-ins in the area.
The reason I call 911 is because a few weeks ago we had 11 burglaries in 1 week, and they were hitting occupied houses, thefts.
You know, I had my windows replaced so that they would be more secure. And this has just always been a safe neighborhood.
If they see anything that's suspicious, to call us immediately, not delay. Anything that they may see or hear is important enough to us, and we'll follow it up.
And the deputy police chief here in Vero Beach says that they did arrest someone 2 weeks ago for breaking into cars in that same neighborhood. We do not know if those crimes are related to this murder. But coming up at 6, I'll tell you what some neighbors tell me they plan to do to make sure their families are safe. Reporting live in Vero Beach, Angela Rozier, WPBF 25.